Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about how to get funded in 2025 guys. So first of all, what you need is a good prop firm. So for example, I have goatfundedtrader as the prop firm that I recommend. That is if you want to get funded by the end of 2025. And then I'm just going to show you a few accounts that they offer, and then you can choose from that using the link in the description below. So first off, they have MT5 available, of which that is a good thing. We've been through like a lot of prop firms whereby they do not offer MT5, of which MT5 is a great platform for you to start trading on. So here we have get funded, and then this is the overall dashboard on goatfundedtrader. And then as you can see here, they have the one-step challenge, they have the two-step, they have the three-step, and then they have the goat, of which it's most popular, and then they have the standard, and then most popular at the moment they have the instant, of which you get funded instantly guys. And then you can check each and everything that I am showing you here using the link in the description below. So I'm just going to make an example with a 100k account, and then if you want maybe 300k account, you can just go for it. But like what I am recommending you guys whenever you are starting with your prop firm journey, the first thing you need a good strategy guys. As you know, I teach a lot of strategies on this channel here. You can learn from each and every video that I dropped on the channel when it comes to analysis guys. You can trade your SMC, you can trade your trend lines, you can trade your support and resistance. It doesn't matter. What matters mostly when it comes to prop firms is that you need a good psychology. And when it comes to psychology, it doesn't mean that you have to risk 1% or the risk management side of the psychology part. You also need to be willing to hold your trades, willing to stand out in the markets. Whenever you take a position, you just move away from the markets, let the market do its thing. If you hit stop loss, you hit stop loss. If you hit take profit, you hit take profit. If you hit your trail stop, you hit your trail stop, then you move forward. But like when it comes to trading prop firms guys, the most important thing is psychology and your risk management. And then the risk management is pretty simple and straightforward. You risk 0.5% of the capital that you have, or you risk 1%. That depends on you, but like the max risk should be kept at 1%. But like if you want to go all out using like 2%, then go for it. But like if you want to stay in the game for a long run, what you need to do is use 0.5 or use 1% guys. So let's just look at the 100k guys, of which let's just use the two-step that is like most popular when it comes to trading prop firms guys. And then as you can see here, the step one requires 8%, of which that is like on 100k, that is like $8,000. And then step two is 4%, of which it's 4k guys, of which that is nice. Most prop firms require you guys to make 5%, and then there is no consistency rule on this account here. And then the daily drawdown is 4%, of which it's not bad guys. You just have to make sure that you use like 1% risk, and then maybe let's say you take 2 trades in your daily routine guys, or whenever you're trading, you just take 2 trades, of which that's 2% kept on a daily guys. And then on phase 2, same thing. And then on the funded stage, it's the same thing. And then the max drawdown, it's 8% on all the phases, even if when you are funded guys. And then trading period, there is no time limit. On step 2, there is no time limit, which means you can just take your time. You can cap your risk at like 0.5%, and then you will be able to get this funded account guys. Remember, use the link in the description below. And then the reward schedule, of which that is your payouts guys. We need to be talking about payouts, and it's on demand as you can see on the screen here, the bi-weekly, and then it's on demand or add-on demand guys. And then the leverage is up to 1:100 on all the accounts. Phase 1, phase 2, and the funded stage. And then the profit split is 80%, and then you can also have an add-on whereby you get 100% profit share guys. And then looking at the profit split, like I told you, it's 80-100, and then news trading is allowed, weekend holding of which is also allowed guys. And then limited time, new GFT 50% off, so which means that whenever you use this code here, first GFT, you will get 50% off guys. You just copy the link, you use the link in the description below, you copy this coupon code, and then whenever you check out, you also add the link guys. As we can see, this account is 323, and then they canceled the 538 that it normally goes for guys. And you just go and start the challenge guys, just like that. And as you can see, there are a lot of accounts that you can start from. You can use the 5k, 8K, 15K, 25K, and the 50K and the 200K, guys. Né? So this is a good program that you can start using, guys. Né? And there are a lot of codes or discount codes that you can get from this platform here. Remember, use the link in the pinned comments, and do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, guys. Né? So let's go down, and then as you can see here, trade with your favorite platforms. That is, if you like Trade Locker, you like Match Trader, or you like MT5 like I do, you can just choose what you want. And why traders love GFT, guys, let's just check. And this is like 800K in scaling. You can scale up to 2 million, and then 100% refundable fees, of which you get all your refund whenever you pass your phase 1 and phase 2. So 100% profit split, reward guarantee, receive in 2 business days. So which means whenever you make a payout, you get it in 2 days, and no hidden rules. That is the first thing that you need to check out. Are there any hidden rules whereby you just get declined on your payout just because there were like some hidden rules whereby they need you to be consistent on like 40% or 30% each and every time when you trade? But like in this case, there is nothing like that. And as you can see here, reward get paid within 2 days, or we pay an extra $500. So which means whenever you don't get your payout within 2 days, you get an extra $500. So as you can see here, these are the payouts that they made so far. And then as you can see, it's 10K plus, guys. Now, and the easy way to get funded is with goatfundedtrader. Make sure that you check out the link in the description below, and I think I've covered each and everything, guys. And before I forget, make sure that you relax, guys, when it comes to trading platforms. You know, I have been trading platforms for quite a while. I've shown you my ups and downs, and platforms are the way to go. Reason being, some of us do not have like a lot of capital to just start off with a bang, maybe 10K or 20K on your account or on your personal account. So what we do is that we buy platforms, and then after buying a platform account, you make sure that you pass your phase 1, you pass your phase 2. Then after that, when you are funded, that is when you get all those profits that you have made on that account, and then you take them to your personal account so that you can scale up. The aim is to scale up. The aim is not to put funds in your personal funded account, whereby sometimes funded accounts are like blown just because we have like 4%. But like when you're using like a personal account, that is when you can scale up nicely without anyone rushing you. But like there is no time limit when it comes to this platform here, which means you can just scale up nicely without anyone disturbing you, guys. So as you can see here, these are the thing is, guys, the reviews on this platform here. And this, I'll just look at this one here. A game changer for traders. I've been trading for years, and this is by far the best experience I've had with the platform. The platform is stable, the support team is always available, and the profit split is one of the best in the industry. So that goes for each and everything that we talked about on this video here, guys. So make sure that you switch over to the best platform, of which this is the one that I am recommending to you guys as of today. So I'll be using this platform here, but like it's been a while since I did like some trading activity on the channel, of which I'm just gonna do that just to appreciate the 7,000 subscribers that we have on this channel here. So I'm gonna start off with goatfundedtrader with a 50K account. So I'm just gonna show you the ins and outs, the ups and downs, and I'm just gonna cap my risk at 1%, show you each and every day what happens on the account till we get a payout, just because the aim is to get a payout and scale up our accounts. So that is it for today's video, and I'll see you on another one. Peace and love, guys.